In front of me is HTC U12 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. All you need to do is click on Settings and tap on the search bar at the top. Then type in Emergency and click on Emergency Contacts. Now you can click on Add Contact right away and tap on the one that you wish to set up. You can do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. If you want to delete one of your contacts, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of and hit Remove in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!